utilizing Crossplane as a control plane. We'll begin with an overview of the high-level architecture. This will help us understand how the control plane orchestrates applications and infrastructure across multi-cloud environments, managing them based on GitOps principles. This ensures that the desired state and actual state remain synchronized. Next, we'll take a look at the GitLab repository for the Hello API application. This repository contains an application folder, which includes the application code, and a crossplane folder, which holds the crossplane configurations. Any changes made will be committed, and a CI job will be executed. Argo CD monitors the Git repository for the Hello API application, pulling changes and synchronizing them with the environments based on the changes in Git. We've created an Amazon EKS cluster specifically for deploying Crossplane and Argo CD. All resources related to Crossplane and Argo CD are running in separate namespaces within the EKS cluster. Following the changes in Git, Argo CD deploys the Hello API on an ECS Fargate cluster using Crossplane. The ECS Fargate cluster is currently active. We will then manually delete the ECS cluster from the AWS console to demonstrate resilience. We can now see the Hello API ECS Fargate cluster listed at the bottom. Next, we are going to select Delete for this cluster from the AWS console. The Hello API ECS Fargate cluster is deleted successfully. Initially, it appears that the cluster is still listed. However, upon refresh, we find that it is no longer in the list because it has been deleted. Surprisingly, the cluster reappears in the list shortly after, as the ECS Fargate cluster is quickly reinstated as Crossplane deploys it again, syncing with the desired code from Git. This showcases the robustness of using a control plane, with Crossplane enabling the deployment on ECS Fargate in this demo. Moving forward, we will explore deploying the complete API components and also consider multi-cloud deployments. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.